Eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing taste. With these dinner recipes, you can enjoy nutritious meals that delight your palate while keeping your health in check. Begin with a vibrant quinoa salad. Start by cooking quinoa until fluffy. Mix it with chopped cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and bell peppers. Drizzle with a lemon vinaigrette made from fresh lemon juice, olive oil, honey, salt, and pepper. The colors of the vegetables create a visual feast, while the quinoa provides protein and essential amino acids. Next up, a roasted vegetable and chickpea curry. In a large pot, sauté onions and garlic until fragrant. Add diced carrots, zucchini, and cauliflower. Then toss in canned chickpeas and coconut milk. Infuse with curry powder, turmeric, and cumin for warmth. Simmer until the vegetables are tender, filling your kitchen with enticing spices. Serve this curry over brown rice, creating a hearty and satisfying dish. A grilled salmon dish can elevate your dinner game. Season salmon fillets with lemon zest, dill, salt, and pepper. Grill until the skin crisps and the flesh is flaky, evoking images of sunny shores and fresh flavors. Pair it with a side of steamed asparagus drizzled with balsamic glaze. The vibrant green of the asparagus contrasts beautifully with the pink salmon, creating a delightful presentation. For a lighter option, consider zoodle stir-fry. Spiralize zucchini into noodles and sauté with colorful bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas in sesame oil. Toss in low-sodium soy sauce and a sprinkle of sesame seeds for crunch. The zoodles versus traditional noodles offer a refreshing twist while keeping the meal low-carb and high in fiber. Finally, go for a comforting and hearty lentil soup. In a pot, sauté onions, carrots, and celery, combining them with green or brown lentils, diced tomatoes, and vegetable broth. Season with thyme and bay leaves for depth. Let it simmer until the lentils are tender, creating a bowl of warmth that nourishes both body and soul. With these healthy dinner recipes, you create not just meals, but experiences filled with love for nourishing your body. Enjoy experimenting in the kitchen and delight in the flavors that promote health and well-being.